Hi, welcome back to this YouTube channel. The name has not yet changed. It is AMOS, which is Amos. I welcome you. Today I feel like taking us through something very interesting, and I just want to ask you a question. Did you imagine, like, we have a novel that is having like 1000 pages, but all these details in these 1000 pages have been summarized in a table which is called table of contents. And you imagine, now, how did this person who wrote this book come up with this table of content? There are so many things. How long did this person take? You find that this heading, there's heading 1, there's heading 2, heading 3, picture 1, all these things. How did this person come up with this? But today I'm going to show for you the simplest method, in fact, how that thing is created, what we call table of content. I'm going to show you how it is created. So this is what we are going to do. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, please, one thing, subscribe, like, watch, and share so that other people get. So let's go. So the first thing we do is this. You come, let me open my Word. This is my folder where I've saved the thing. So it is here, understanding the causes of HIV. Let me open that. Yes, so I've already opened it there. So this is the title, understanding the causes of HIV/AIDS. So this is a research that has been carried out by someone. Okay, this is the research that has been carried out. You can see there's so many things there, and are the causes of so now I'm going to summarize all these things. I'm going to summarize these things under what we call a table of content. So where do we find a table of content? A table of content is normally found at the beginning of the whole document, but it is after what is called the abstract. Okay, it is after the abstract. That is where you get a table of content in most cases. So let's start it. So let me show for you the way. So you open. So the first page, I have my title there. So I have the abstract here. Okay, I have my abstract here. Now I want to create a table of content. So the abstract is just like some brief recap on what I'm writing. Okay, so that is it. I'm writing about HIV, and it's trying to define for us research. Okay, so I come here. Have you seen? You click here. You click there. So after clicking there, you come to insert. Okay, you click the insert. After inserting there, this is what you're going to do. You will create a blank page. Okay, you will create a blank page. So I'm going to create a blank page. Sorry, you have to first create a page break. Okay, so I've first create a page break. Sorry, so after creating a page break, you can see now the abstract are separated. The abstract is there. Are you seeing that? And now the introduction is also there. You create a page break. Sorry, so after creating the page break, okay, now I'm going to create a new page. I told you the table of content is normally after the abstract. So this is where you have to first make sure your cursor is there. Okay, your cursor has to go there. So now I'm going to create a blank page. So you now create a blank page. Have you seen that? So I've created a blank page up here. So the blank page is now between the abstract and the introduction. Are you seeing that? So because of that, now I'm going to click. This is now where my table of content is going to be, after abstract but before introduction, in the middle. So now let's go. Yes, now for some people, what I'm trying to show you is just how to do it. Okay, yes, so some people will say, now introduction, let it be on a different page, the overview and like the background on a different page. But if you want us to make it like that, we can also make it like that. So I'm going to make these ones to be under different pages. Okay, let me make it. So I've made them on different pages purposely. Okay, so you can see that these are the different pages. I can see, like now I have my introduction on the first page, then I have background on another page, methodology on another page, findings on another page. I just did it purposely. Conclusion on another page. So that is it. Okay, so now we're going to create our table of content. So the first step in creating the table of content, so this is what you're first going to do. Now we have this. Okay, we are going to go to our home tab. Okay, we shall be going to our home tab. You come here, you click under home. So have you seen all these styles? So we're going to use these styles for creating our table of content. There are so many. You can see there's so many there. There are so many there. Are you seeing that? So this is what you're going to do. Now under creating table, you come, you see this introduction here. I'm going to highlight it. So you'll highlight your introduction. Like here, I'm going to highlight the introduction. After highlighting it, I'm going to give it heading 1. Okay, introduction, I'm going to give it heading 1. So that is it. I've given introduction heading 1. Okay, I'm going to give introduction heading 1. Then there's 1.1, which is the overview. So this one here, I'm going to give it heading 2. Okay, because it is under introduction, I'm going to give it heading 2. Have you seen? So I have also, this is 1.1 overview. We have 1.2 purpose, which is under still, it is still under introduction. So I'm going to give it also heading 2. You can see I'm going to also give it heading 2. That is it. So I have 1.3, which is the scope. I'm also going to give it heading 2 because it is still under heading 1, which is introduction. Are you seeing that? So I'm going to scroll down a bit. So that is to do with the introduction. Have you seen? So it is simple. Then I come to background, which is the second thing. Okay, so this one here, I'm going to also give it heading 1 because it is a different heading. Okay, I have the introduction, then I have the abstract. I mean I have the background. So background and introduction, those are my two headings. So but now 2.1 is a subheading under background, so I'm going to also give it heading 2. Are you seeing that? Heading 2. So I'm going to give it heading 2. Are you seeing that? So yes, and the current situation, this is also still under heading 2, which is background. I'm also I mean heading 1, which is background. Then I'm going to give it also heading 2. Are you seeing how simple it is to create a table of content? So that is it. So methodology, you do the same things, but then I want to first stop there. Okay, I first want to stop there. There's a reason as to I want to stop there. Okay, but then let me now create the table of content. So you come here. Okay, you come here where you created the blank page. I told you it is between the abstract and the introduction. So now I'll come to this blank page here. It is this one here. You click there. Are you seeing that? I will click there. Now my cursor is there. Then I come to references. Are you seeing that? I come to references. Then here I have my table of content. Are you seeing that? So you click on table of contents. It's opening there, as you can see. It's opening. So it has opened. So I have this one here. So this one, you can take this style, you can take this style, but now let's take the first style. Okay, yeah, let's take the first style. So I'm going to take that style. Okay, you can see it has created. So I'm going to edit this part here. I'm going to say, let this be a table of content. Okay, sorry, content. Okay, table of content. So that is it. So I can make it bold. You highlight it. You can make it bold from here. Are you seeing that? So that is the table of content. So you can see. So this is introduction, which is found on page 4. Under introduction, I have my overview, I have my purpose, I have my scope. Have you seen that? So they're there. So this is the first heading. The second heading is the background. Are you seeing that? Under background, I have the historical text, the current situation. Are you seeing that? Now I want to update this table of content. Remember, down here there were things that I didn't highlight. Okay, there are things that I didn't highlight. So like now this one here, methodology, so I didn't highlight it. So now I want to add this one to my table of contents. So what do? I will again highlight it. There's no problem, but make sure it is in the home tab. So you come here, you highlight this. After highlighting this, you come, you give it heading 1. I think that you give it heading 1. Then the research design, this one here, I'm going to give it heading 2 because it is under that heading, methodology. So I give it that one there. So data collection, I think, so you give it heading 2. Analysis, you give it heading 2. I think that. So I don't want this video to take so long, that's why I'm not highlighting the rest. Okay, but I'm just trying to show you how you can do it. So now I've already highlighted, I've already added those ones there. So you come back to your table of content. Okay, you come back to your table of content. Where is it? So this is our table. We come back here, so we shall click there. Have you seen that? After clicking, there's update table. You also click on update table, then you come update entire table. Okay, now this one here is going to update the table by adding those things that we have just highlighted. Okay, so we're going to say okay, and you're going to see the miracle there. Have you seen now? It has, initially we were having introduction and background, but now it has also added for us methodology. Are you seeing that? Yes. So that is how it is easy to create the table of content. Now from here, like now, someone who wants to go to direct to methodology without scrolling down can go there. Okay, so now the person, what I'm going to do, you will hold the control button. Okay, you hold the control button. So after holding the control button, have you seen now it has given me the arm there. So you come, you will just click to methodology. You control, then you click, it will hold the link, so it will take me direct to methodology. Okay, so let's see how it can be done. So this is how we're going to do it. Okay, so you will control it, then you my computer is kind of freezing, I don't know why. You click on the table, so you will control it, you go and click on methodology, so it is going to take you through have you seen that? So it will just take you direct there. So if you want to read, if you want to go to research design, you go back to your table of content and you click from there. Any information, you click it from there. So have you seen how it is easy to create a table of content? So that is briefly what I can take you through. At least I know after this video you have the basic knowledge of creating the table of content. So if you want to know more, please you subscribe, watch, like and share this video. If there's any question, you can drop in the comment section and I'll be able to answer them. So please, your assignment is this: go and update your table of content by adding these findings, the biological courses and the behavioral courses. You are going to you go and add it. Okay, yes, go and add it, and then you will see the miracle and you will thank me later. Please, this is what I can give you for now. Thanks for watching. I love you all. Bye bye. But remember to subscribe. Okay.